Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another journal with me. I'm so pleased you're here. I'm so pleased that we get to come together on a weekly, if I'm sticking to it, basis and do some journaling together. Like, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, I'm not going to waffle on this week. I'm going to get my pillow, my little resting pillow, my journal and my pen and we're just going to go for it. So, the first one, describe a happy childhood memory. Describe a happy childhood memory. Okay, and your next one is, what did you want to be when you grew up? So when you were a child, what did you want to be when you grew up? There's a bit of a theme on today's prompts. What did you want to be when you grew up? And your final prompt is, what, if anything, needs to change in your life? What, if anything, needs to change in your life? So as always, I hope you found those interesting and insightful. I thought they were quite like fun and definitely like a bit more on the positive side. I'm currently enrolled and participating in a positive journal facilitator training course, which is run by the wonderful Megan Hayes. If you haven't checked her out before, make sure you do, because she is wonderful. She's got a few books. One is The Joy of Writing Things Down, another one is Write Yourself Happy. So she's very much focused around journaling in a positive way. So I liked those two, the first two prompts definitely, in regards to positivity, and the third one as well is kind of like a link into, you know, talking about childhood memories. What did you want to be when you grew up? And then like, it was almost alluding to, you know, are you satisfied? Are things going the way you kind of wanted them to go when you were a child to now? And I know obviously you can't know that when you're little, and the way life pans out can be very different, but it was just quite an interesting kind of link there, I guess. So I hope you found them interesting. I hope you got something from them. Especially the last one, you know, if there is anything that needs to change, what can you do about it? Even if it's a baby step, even if it's just doing something small to make that change or to work towards that change. As with all these prompts, if you have revelations, if you have kind of aha moments or insights, then it's about what do you do with them? How can you take action? How can you move forwards? You've identified something. What do you want to do about it? So yeah, I hope you found them good. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for being here. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because that would mean the world to me. And I will see you in the next one.